Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the project member permission settings. In team collaboration, different members can be assigned different roles. Currently, there are 3 main permission types. Let's take a look. Select the project you want to manage. Right-click it. Then in the pop-up menu, click Project Management and select Members. Here you can add new members. After they accept the invitation and join the project, you can assign permissions to them here. First is Project Admin. This is the highest level project role. In addition to basic project access, project admins can transfer or delete projects, change the cover image, and manage project files. This role is suitable for project owners or core managers. Next is Project Editor. Editors have permission to edit project content. They can modify the project description, edit design files, and manage project attachments. This role is suitable for members involved in daily design work and content maintenance. Finally, there is Project Viewer. Viewers only have viewing access. They can browse project content, but cannot edit or delete anything. This role is suitable for clients, reviewers, or members who only need to check project progress. To summarize, Project Admin manages the overall project and permissions. Project Editor responsible for adding and maintaining project content. Project Viewer view only access to project content. Assigning permission based on each member's responsibility can help protect project security and improve team collaboration efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.